Oh my god, imagine adding some teeth. That would be scary. That should not be allowed. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do the tiny face challenge. Oh my god, you guys, when I saw this on Instagram, I think I saw Jaime. I think that's her name, Jaime. I'm gonna post her up right here, and I'm gonna post her account here so you guys can go ahead and follow her. I'm gonna post a picture that I saw in the video that I saw, and I was just like, oh my god. First of all, she is so freaking funny. Like, I think she even has a TikTok, and I'm just like, oh my god, obsessed with her. She's so funny. If you guys are not following her, I recommend you guys follow her. If you guys like funny people, she is one to follow. I saw this and I was like, this is kind of fun, and I really wanted to try it out. So I did a poll on my Instagram, and of course I told you guys here on YouTube if you guys wanted to see that, and a lot of you guys were saying yes. So I was like, you know what, let's just do something fun, and I'm gonna be doing that today. Go ahead and just start. I am low-key kind of scared because I don't know if I'm gonna do a good job. I did my face like off camera and I did my eyes, but I'm gonna start doing this little section. So let's see how it goes. First of all, I have to contour. That is the one thing that I for sure have to do. So we're gonna go ahead and contour. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a contour brush. I'm gonna go ahead and use my KVD Vegan Beauty Shade and Light Contour Palette. We're gonna be using this middle shade right here. I just really want to use that one because I feel like this is like such a good contour palette. So we're gonna go ahead and use this on the nose section here. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of like contour how I normally would on my nose. And I'm just kind of like contouring like this. You guys, I am literally so scared. I don't want to see myself with a tiny face. It's gonna look so freaking funny. So we're gonna kind of stop there. And then now off to the nose, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a small detailed brush, and we're going to be using that to kind of create the nose. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this little brush here. We're slowly gonna start like right here. Let me get a different brush here. Okay. We're going to just create the nose right here. You guys, I don't know if I'm gonna do this right. Seems easy, but then when you're doing it on yourself, that's gonna be the hard part. Am I doing that? Am I doing that right? Now I'm just gonna go ahead and create those little highlights on the nose right here so you can kind of see what's going on. I'm just using a little bit of this and just kind of blending that out here. Stop it. Oh my god, let me see. Stop. Oh my god, I feel like I need to add a little bit more detail. So I'm gonna go in and grab a little bit of that darker contour, and I'm going to kind of add it right here so we can get a little bit of that nostril. Ew. Oh my god, you guys. Am I doing this right? Let me know how it's looking. Oh my god, no wait, if you like stare at it, I see it and it's freaking me out. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of black now, just a little bit. I'm gonna grab the eyeliner from House Laboratories, and I'm going to just add a little bit of black here. Stop, do you guys see it? I'm gonna kind of cover it here. Oh my god, I kind of do see it. I feel like I do have to work a little bit on the shading. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the details right here on the edge of the nose so we can kind of see the shape of it, because I feel like I lose it a little bit on the edges. So I'm grabbing that darker shade from the KVD Vegan palette. Oh my god, what am I doing to myself? You guys, make me stop now. Make me stop. Oh my god, I can't stop. Oh my god. Stop. Okay, we're gonna be done there for right now. I'm gonna go ahead and move on with the lips. So I'm gonna start adding the shape of the lips right here. So I know I need to kind of like shape it right here. Wait, right? I have to shape it right here and then kind of like create the shape. I think I have the perfect nose for this, but we shall see. I'm going to kind of do the lips here, finish them off here. Oh, mine's gonna be like some big old lips. Cut off right here. I'm gonna go in a little bit deeper with the contour here. You guys, wait, let me see. Is it coming out? I think it's coming out. Oh yeah, once I put like a lipstick on it, I'm gonna see it. I also want to say, if you guys hear my AC, I have it on because it is so freaking hot, and I feel like this eye of mine is a little bit red. I think it's because I'm concentrating too much on this, because oh my god. Maybe I need to extend it more here. Oh yeah, I think that's good. And then we're gonna cut it off here. Is that working? How does that look? Okay. Well, I'm gonna give the break on the mouth. We're gonna kind of give a little bit of shape to right here and kind of give myself one of these. Gonna do this here. A little bit deeper in the middle here. Does that look like that? Does that look fine? Okay, maybe I should start adding like liquid lipstick and see how that goes. I'm gonna go in with the House Laboratories in Rural, and we're going to kind of shape the mouth here so we can kind of see. So I'm just gonna use a lip liner just like I would do on my regular lips. Shape it. Okay, now we're gonna go in with House Laboratories. This is the shade Power Move. I just love this pink, it's so pretty. So we're gonna go in with this and just kind of shade it in. How is this looking? I feel like I look like a piggy right now. Okay, maybe I need to cover this. I have two mirrors here. Oh my god, it's freaking me out. Do you guys see that? Stop it. Oh. Oh my god, stop. Oh my god. Guys, make me stop, please. What am I doing? Like, who created, well, I know who created this, but what in the world? So far, so good. You guys, this is insane. If you guys want to try it, I recommend you guys trying this because it's so funny, you guys. Like, I can't even take myself serious right now. I feel like I gotta add some smile lines here because that's the only way it will look a little bit more realistic, honestly. So we're gonna go ahead and add some smile lines here. We're gonna go ahead and grab the brush that I was using to contour everything. So I'm gonna add a little bit of smile lines here. Maybe I need to add a little bit of highlight to right here so we can see that that is here. Oh my god, that made a difference. That made a difference, you guys. I feel like I have to add a little bit more like dimension to the lips. So what we're going to do is add a little bit of that contour and just kind of add that on the edges so we can kind of see it more, because I feel like I'm not really seeing it. I'm just looking for the brush that I was using. I keep losing it. Okay, it's right here. So I'm gonna go in with the darker contour brush here, and I'm going to kind of just shade this, kind of shade the bottom lip, a little bit of an edge here. So we have a little bit of a shape going on here. Maybe I'm perfecting this too much, but I gotta make it look good, guys. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and see the difference. Oh my god. Let me know what you guys think on the comments below of how this is looking, because I think I kind of nailed this. Oh my god, this is so freaking funny. Oh my god, first of all, when I look at myself, I feel like I look like a pig nose, but saying it like this is like, hello. Hi, what's your name? My name is Tiffany. This is giving me like Tiffany vibes, like literally from Chucky. This is giving me Tiffany vibes from Chucky. I feel like this will be so cool as a Halloween costume. just kind of going in with a turtleneck. But this is so funny. Let me know in the comments below how do you guys think I did? Would you guys try this? Have you guys seen this around? This is so funny. You know what? I feel like this needs like a little montage moment. Let me know in the comments below what do you guys think of this. I feel like this was kind of fun to do. I wanted to do this and I wanted to see my face with it because this is too much. Like, look at that. If I cover my mouth here, like that looks like a face. That literally looks like a face. Oh my god, imagine adding some teeth. That would be scary. That should not be allowed. I do feel like I nailed the nose. I feel like the nose in general is like hard to do, but I feel like I nailed it. The mouth, I feel like I could have done better, but I like it. It's not bad. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it and thought it was really funny, give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below if you guys thought it was funny. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel and want to be part of my little family, make sure you hit that bell notification and that subscribe button to know when I post another video. And if you guys are not following me on my Instagram and Twitter, I will be posting this picture on my Instagram if you guys want to see it. If you guys are not following me there, you guys can go ahead and follow me there. I'm also on TikTok, the same thing as my Instagram and Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching this. And thank you so much for even watching me do this. Like, thank you guys so much. I don't know why I'm doing this. I just really needed to do it and I thought it was really fun. Thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube channel. And yeah, I think it's time to end the video now because I'm gonna take this off now and fix my makeup. Thank you guys so much and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.